Today's economic data provided some instant vindication for yesterday's Reserve Bank decision to raise the official cash rate to the weird figure of 0.35%. Retail sales rose 1.6% in March to a record high, and sales are currently about $5 billion a month greater than they would have been if the pre-pandemic trend had continued. And housing loans also rose 1.6% in March. Now, there are a couple of details worth noting. First home buyers have been priced out of the market again, which is hardly surprising after 20% plus house price gains last year. And investors are back, big time. And loans for renovations are booming, part of which is to keep up with the galloping prices of materials and labour, of course, if you can get them. And just because those loans have been approved for renovations, of course, doesn't necessarily mean the borrowers have been able to spend the money yet. The dollar stayed above 71 US cents today after popping up there at 2:30 yesterday afternoon when the rate hike hit the Forex traders' screens. Share market sank 1/3% on top of yesterday's 0.5%. Flight Centre dropped 6.7% even though it said losses were shrinking. And ANZ Bank shares went up a bit even though its interim profit fell 3% to $3.1 billion. All the banks went up while retailers and miners fell. Base metals got bowled over on the London Metals Exchange last night, while oil and iron ore also fell in New York. And the US share market rose a bit ahead of tonight's big Federal Reserve meeting at which American interest rates are expected to be lifted by 0.5%. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there. And don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.